The holidays are meant to be a joyous time for families, but for those who are newly separated or divorced, this holiday season could be extra challenging due to the pandemic. So we find out how to co-parent during these difficult times.
We're all just simply way more sensitive right now. We're ready to be upset. We're ready to engage in a fight.
This holiday season may be the first time some families are spending apart. Tensions are new and in some cases high. Toronto family lawyer Laura Paris says she's receiving a lot of calls from newly separated and divorced parents who are confused about how to co-parent right now.
Both parents have gotten accustomed to spending the holidays with their kids, and they want to continue that post-separation. So often you find disputes over, certain dates, whether it be, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day.
Paris adds the scheduling gets even more complicated with government protocols and restrictions as a result of the pandemic. She suggests hashing it out between each other before taking it to the courts. Don't let arguing ruin the holidays.
If you have one parent who is pushing against government protocols and one parent who's following them, the parent who's following the protocols is likely going to come out victorious if you leave it to a court to decide. Recognizing that children too benefit from spending the holidays with both parents. So, finding a solution that works for everybody, that's in the best interest of the children.
Psychology professor Steve Jordans adds the pandemic is also a difficult time emotionally. He says the pressure of the holidays can make people more anxious, and this can have a negative effect on children as well.
Being able to remain civil to one another, it's really important now because the children really need security and comfort and safety. And a big part of that is feeling like both of their parents are sort of there for them. A big part of that, I think, is respecting each other's events and schedule and ritual, and kind of, when we do co-parent, when the child is sort of handed over to that other parent, to do so almost in a positive way. Okay, now you're going to get to have some fun over there.
The psychologist we spoke with says families should work on active listening. So whoever is feeling emotional, whether it's the parent or the child, ask them how they're feeling and why they're feeling that way. Try to put yourself in their shoes. This will help de-escalate what could have been a tense situation.